In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Zoho Mail account seamlessly. Imagine being just a few clicks away from accessing your emails, managing your communications, or diving back into your work tasks, all through Zoho's efficient mail platform. Whether you're a longtime user or someone newly discovering the benefits of Zoho Mail, the process is straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through how you can quickly and easily log into your account. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like to use. Once you have your browser ready, head over to the Zoho Mail website by typing in http://mail.zoho.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. This takes you directly to the Zoho Mail homepage, where you will start the login process. Once you're on the homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Sign In button. Give it a click. This will take you to the page where you can enter your login credentials. Now, it's time to enter your email address. You might have a Zoho Mail account ending in zoho.com, or you might have a custom domain email linked to Zoho, like you@yourdomain.com. Whichever it is, carefully type in your full email address where prompted. Make sure there are no typos, as this is crucial for accessing your account. Next, you'll see the password field. Enter your password with attention to detail. Passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure that you're typing it exactly as it is, respecting any capital letters or special characters. If you have your password saved in a secure password manager, you might choose to paste it here, ensuring accuracy. Once you've entered both your email and password, you can move forward by clicking the Sign In button below these fields. If everything is correct, Zoho Mail will authenticate the details you entered and in just a moment take you directly to your inbox. Here, you'll be able to access all your emails, send messages, and organize your communications as needed without delay. Should there be any issues signing in, make sure to double-check your email and password for any errors. Remember, Zoho also provides options for password recovery if needed, but that's a topic for another day. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Zoho Mail account. This process is simple and quick, allowing you to connect to your email with ease and efficiency. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.